Hey guys, welcome to Beastride DIY. I'm at Lowe's right now and I'm going to show you some of their pre-Father's Day deals going on. So this is Dewalt for $99. You can get any of these tools. You can get a reciprocating saw, the 12-volt oscillating tool, extreme circular saw, 1/2 inch impact wrench, or the 3/8 of an inch impact wrench. And they've got all these tools down below and with the sensors on down there. And these are, you can choose any of these for $149. You got the 2-tool combo kit with the drill and impact driver, the 5-in-1 drill and driver kit, that's $30 off, it was $179. And then the rotary hammer drill, and the 3/8 of an inch ratchet, and the portable bandsaw as well. And all these have sensors on them. And this is the Cobalt Buy One 24-volt 4-amp-hour battery starter kit, or the impact driver kit. You get a free bare tool. And these are some of the tools they have here. This is the jigsaw, it's the 24-volt jigsaw here. Keep in mind, look at these tool deals and then go on other stores and Amazon, just see which one is the best here. This is a 6-inch random orbital sander, reciprocating saw here. I'll get a better view of this reciprocating saw in just a moment. This is the one-handed reciprocating saw from Cobalt here. That's $99 if you don't take advantage of the deal. I'm going to also put links into the description as well. And this is the right angle driver tool here. And to stay tuned to the end, I'm going to go ahead and show some of the outdoor deals going on as well. This is that better view of the brushless reciprocating saw. Then we've got the circular saw here. These are some of the other Cobalt deals. This is for $219, the 1/2 inch impact wrench, it's $50 off. And then you get the 3-tool combo kit for $199. That's $100 off there. They've got these locked up. The 18-gauge brad nailer kit for $199 was $249, and then the straight nailer kit for $249. That's a savings of $50. Now Craftsman does have their deals going on still. These go on through July, I believe. So you buy this starter kit for $149 and you get a free bare tool here. These are some of the tools, and these are the sensored battery kits here. You get the 2 batteries and the charger. Now looking over to the left here, these are some of their tools here that you can get. This first one here is the blower. Looks like there's a hole in that box there, but so you got the blower. This is the brushless belt sander, and there's a better picture of the blower there. Coming over to the left here, this is the circular saw. And this is the box here for those, and they've got all of these with the security sensors here, I guess locking down on everything. They've got the hammer drill, impact wrench, cutoff tool, and the impact driver over here. And here we have the flex deals. You get a free starter kit, which is the charger and battery, when you buy one of these select tools. The finished nailer, the wet dry vac, the sander, or the job site fan here. And they've got these locked up, of course, but this is what the starter packs look like here. Now Flex has the same kind of deal, but when you buy this $199 starter pack, you're going to get these other select tools here, which is up to a $199 value. You can see the items pictured here. I'll go ahead and show you them, what they look like below, but let me know what you think. I kind of think of Flex and Rigid in the same kind of tier, but let me know if you've used the Flex tools. So that's the one-handed reciprocating saw. That looks like the rotary hammer. Let's see what else we got. We got the router here. We got the sander. This is the drywall screw gun. It has an LED light. This is the job site radio here, and that's the job site blower. So there's the job site radio. And then this is the job site blower. I thought this was like a hard plastic on the barrel here, but it's actually like a rubberized barrel. But I guess that makes sense in case you need to take it off and just use the other part of it. And then here's the job site fan here. It's actually bigger than I thought. I kind of looked up and it was quite a bit bigger than I thought it would be. And this is that adjustable job site light. Now Bosch has their deals as well. You're going to buy one select 18-volt tool and you're going to get the 18-volt starter kit for free. So looking on down here, this is some of their tools that they laid out here that you can go ahead and get with the deal. And I'll go ahead and show you the starter kit. It's just right down here. They locked it up as well. And Dewalt has the deals on the combo kits as well. So for $299, it's $100 off. And then they've got the detect kits on the left for $249. That's the right angle tool and the circular saw kit. They've got them under here under glass and lock. So that's the circular saw kit, and this is the 2-tool kit here. And I wonder why the price is lower. It says $169 here, but I wonder if that just doesn't include that's just the 2 tools, not the battery and charger and carrying case. So next up here we've got these combo savings. These are 2 3-amp-hour 20-volt batteries for $99. And then on the right here you've got the 2 power stack batteries for $149, and that was $179 on those batteries. Metabo has some good deals here as well. They've got the 18-volt 1/4-inch subcompact impact driver kit for $111. And this is a pretty small tool here, but it can get the job done, I'm sure. And for $103 you get the half-inch subcompact kit. That's what this one looks like here. And this is the 18-volt oscillating multi-tool for $79. It was $99. And then Skill's coming in with their 1/2-inch brushless driver kit for $59. Comes with everything pictured here. It was $99. And that's what it looks like here. I'm just kind of checking it out. Now for $129, it was $249, is the circular saw from Skill. It's 7 1/4 inches, and I'm going to turn the camera this way to get a better look. It is brushless, so that's good with a 5-year warranty. And that's the look of it here. They've got it locked up as well. Now for $79, it was $149, so that's a clearance deal here. This is the reciprocating saw kit. And Dewalt has some more deals here. For $149, they've got the job site fan. For $299, they've got the impact driver. And $599, they've got that 7 toolkit they kind of keep around. Now for under $10, this is their 14-piece black and gold drill set here. And they have some saw blades as well from Dewalt. Under $10 for $9.98, and some 16-piece reciprocating saw blades for under $20. And they had this sprayer for $74. It was $149. It's a V20 pressurized sprayer. And then Craftsman had a deal for $99. It was $149 for their 20-volt max cordless battery string trimmer and leaf blower. So it's a combo kit here. You get the string trimmer, it's an edger as well, and then you get the leaf blower. And that's for $99, so you're saving, I think it's over $50 with that. And then it's an edger as well. It just says turn to edge, and then it shows all what it comes with here. It's got the battery and charger and a 3-year warranty. So Craftsman also does have these buy one get one free deals. So this is the trimmer kit, blower kit, or the battery starter kit. So you buy one of those and you get one of the 20-volt max tools here. So they've got them all lined up. I think they have the blower there to the left, and then this is the 20-volt pruner here. This is what this looks like. You've got the 20-volt hedge trimmer. Looks like a handheld hedge trimmer basically. You've got the longer hedge trimmer here that you can hold with your one hand and then direct it with the other. And then the chainsaw here on the far right. It's like a mini chainsaw. Now on to some mowers for $3.99. This is a Toro battery mower here. This is what it looks like at 60 volts. It says it's got a 21-inch radius here with the blade and a 42-minute runtime. And coming over to the right here, they had this Skill one for $249. It was $329, so that's a pretty good deal. And I'll show you another deal in a minute where you get a free tool with the mower. But this one has 20-inch radius with the blade, up to 45 minutes of runtime. Now this is the Craftsman deal. If you buy this 20-inch brushless cordless push mower, you're going to get a free string trimmer or a blower here. So this is what it looks like. They've just got the little front bay missing on this one for whatever reason, but it's $329, 20-inch deck size, and up to 50 minutes of runtime on this one. And you get the free trimmer or blower. So coming outside, it was a really beautiful day, so I was glad to come on out. $29, you get this Suncast hose reel cart. And it's a pretty standard cart here. This is what it looks like. It's got the feeder hose here, and then the slide track hose guide, which is nice. And for whatever reason, if y'all have had bees infesting these, I know how you feel. So this is for $134. It's a 2-wheel hose cart, but it's steel. It's a little higher quality here. You can wheel it around like this. And the box was in a little rough condition, but I'm sure inside it was okay. Now for $35, it was $42. This is the 0G kink-free hose. And this does come with a 5-year warranty on this. And it's a pretty nice hose, just a little more expensive than your standard hose though. And this is a buy two, get one free deal on the Miracle-Gro Performance Organics plant food. And sometimes it's just hard to get out of the house, or it's hard to get to the big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot. So go ahead and check out this next video, guys, where I go over the Amazon pre-Father's Day deals, and a lot of them are good tool deals that you can save money on.